Deep left field. That ball's got a chance to get out, and that ball is gone. Machado hits it out. There goes the perfect game no-hitter and shutout on one swing. And the fans are booing Manny Machado for breaking up the perfect game bid. There's number 2 for Manny, and it's 7-1.
Well, Manny's been swinging the bat very well. We mentioned how hot he was his last 4 games, picking up the 5 hits. But here, beautiful swing.
Deep left field. That ball's going to go way out and gone. And it's a 1-run game. Machado's 2nd home run of the night. And it is 7-6 in the 9th.
Pretty nice string of at bats right here by the Orioles offense. And Manny Machado, we said he was hot in the ball game, and he is now red hot, breaking up the perfect game with a solo shot here. And the Orioles within 1. Their last at bat, the 3-run homer